Hello and welcome, Year 8, to your Week 5 Musescore task. Now, we're going to experiment a little bit with accidentals today, but we're also going to try this other thing called permutation. And I'm going to show you what that is and tell you what that is very soon. Alright, let's get into it. So we're going to call it accidentally piano. Now you can give it your own title if you want. Go to choose instruments. You go to piano and you go to add next. But now you should know you just stick to the natural key. We have 6 bars here, right? And it's 4/4, and we go to finish, and we have our score. Now this is what I prepared earlier. We'll just, all right. So I've made my melody here. Now what I've done is I want you to keep the bass line just simple minims and semi-breves, right? And I'm just going to delete this, because what you're going to do is we're going to take the same 2-bar melody and we're going to change it just slightly. So what you're going to do is hold shift and then press the right arrow key across, and then C, and then press V. Now what we're going to do is we're going to slightly change it, and there's a couple of things that you can try. So now we're going to put this one up here. Now you can press up and down on the arrow key just to move notes up. Just click on it and then you can move it up. Alright, and left and right moves between them. Now it does move quite chromatically. It goes between each and every note. Right, and we're just slightly changing it. Just a little bit of a change. And you might want to experiment by changing one of the notes using these up here, the accidentals, right? Because we're looking a little bit experimenting with chromaticism and passing notes, which is just one note in between 2 notes in a melody. So, you know, a note that comes from here to here, and there's another note right there, right? And so this is a sharp sign, not a hashtag. It's a sharp in music. And this is a flat. Do not worry about the other ones. Just sharp and flat. The other one we will look at, because it will come up, is this one, which is called natural, which means that it just means that you play the note as a natural C, not C sharp, not C flat, not B flat, not E flat. It doesn't go that way. It's only the sharps and the flats, and then the natural, which just means it goes back to its normal state, which is just C or B or whatever it is. All right, and so we might click on one note and we go, let's make that sharp. And so it will just, we'll just see. So we've got the melody here, we can hear it play back. And I might change that and make it go up. And let's make it go, let's do this. Change the rhythm slightly. Right, and now we've got this. And then again, we're going to copy the bottom bit over here. Oh, oops, accidentally hit paste. Now, to copy, it is Control-C on Microsoft, like Windows, and on Mac, it's Command-C. And then Control-V or Command-V down there, and you've got that. And then we can move this down here. If you want to move things an octave up and down, you hold Control and then up and down. Let's do something. And then add. Yeah, look at that. And then we're going to copy this melody again. So you're hitting that. If you click just in the space that hasn't got a note, you can highlight the whole bar, and then you hold shift, and then you just keep going across until you get to there. then you hold Control C, Control V. And so what we might try is swapping this around. So going here and putting it there. And that last note, so the note there, then there, and then and I've just reversed the whole thing, which again is a composition technique where you change it slightly by just reversing the whole thing, which is permutation. So there's some compositional techniques that you can look at, and here is the melody. There you go. Thanks for watching.